Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make iPhone and iPad battery charge last longer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So most probably what we used to do is we used to open the control center and we'll try to disable from here. But right now you will see here it's showing a gray marking. That means it's not completely turned up. So in order to completely turn up, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this Bluetooth, and now just turn it off. So the Bluetooth will get completely turned off. Similarly for the Wi-Fi also, you need to turn it off here by pressing here. So the second thing you need to do is turn off background app refresh. So once again open the settings and now just click on this general. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here background app refresh. Just click on it. Now just click on this background app refresh option. Now just set it to off. Now the background app refresh will get turned off. Now the third thing you need to do is turn off Siri. So once again open the settings. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here Siri. Just click on it. Now if this talk to Siri option is not turned off, then you can just click on it and you can turn it off here and just scroll down below again. Now under the suggestion option, you need to disable all this option. Now the Siri will be completely turned off. Now the fourth thing you need to do is turn off location. So once again open the settings and just scroll down below. Now click on this privacy and security. Now click on this location services. Now scroll down below. Now click on the system services. Scroll down below again. Now you will see here improve location accuracy. So you need to disable all this option firstly. And after that just move back. Now just disable this location services. Click on turn off. So now the location will be completely turned off. Now the fifth thing you need to do is close all open recent apps. So just swipe up from the bottom and just close all the recent apps by swiping it up. Then it will close all open recent apps. So these are the 5 things you need to do in order to make iPhone and iPad battery charge last longer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.